Christmas ham is the ultimate easy entertaining meal, a staple of the Christmas table. It's a fantastic shared plate that easily feeds a crowd. The only way to make this family favourite even better is to cook it outside in the open air using the barbecue. Let's start with the barbecue. To cook a ham, you're essentially using the barbecue as an oven, so you'll need one with a lid. Make sure the hood is high enough to fit the whole leg ham placed on a rack in a roasting tray. Mix the glaze the day before. To do this, combine orange juice, quince paste, brown sugar and apple cider vinegar in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir to dissolve the sugar, then bring to the boil for about 15 minutes. Let it cool, then store it in a container in the fridge overnight. A couple of hours before you're due to serve your ham, preheat the barbecue for 15 minutes on medium-low, or until it reaches 150 degrees. The best way to cook a ham on a barbecue is with indirect heat, that is hot air circulating in an oven instead of directly underneath. Once the barbecue has reached the right temperature, turn off the centre burners, leaving the outside ones on. To prep the ham, make a cut around the shank of the ham and peel back the exposed white fat layer. Score the fat, then push the whole cloves into the top. Place a roasting rack into a large foil tray or roasting tray. Put the ham on top, brush the ham with glaze, then cover the shank with foil. Pour water 2 centimetres deep into the bottom of the roasting pan. Then close the lid and cook for approximately 45 minutes. Brush over more glaze a couple of times during the cooking, refilling the water in the pan at the same time. Now increase the barbecue heat to 170 degrees. Turn the pan around for even browning. Brush the ham with more glaze, then refill the water to cook for another 45 to 50 minutes or until golden, lightly caramelised on top. Checking on the water and refilling when required. Once it's done, let it rest for 30 minutes before carving. If there's any glaze left over, warm it up and spoon it over to serve. It's as easy as that. A Christmas ham cooked on the barbecue for the ultimate Christmas meal. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.